Let's cook soup today. This is the ingredient I prepare with the water in the pot. We have the pork, mushroom, mixed ball of fish ball, and this is the chicken coop to make broth, the soup. Let it boil and then add the meat. You can use other meat like chicken, beef, or something else that you like, even tofu for vegetarian. And then I'm gonna add every ingredient in one time. I have fish ball, green onion, mushroom, lemongrass, and the Thai chili smash, and the leaf. I don't remember the name. I'm gonna put it for you. And then you can add grape tomato, but I didn't have it. This is the tamarind juice, and also you need to add the lemon juice, but I don't have today. I didn't add it. And then chili, ground chili. If you need spicy, to add it more. I use chipotle chili because I don't have the Thai ground chili. And also you can add red onion or shallot, and then make it boil or cook very well, and you can taste it. If you like, then turn it off. And also I add soy sauce, and pretty much done here. Okay, then take the soup into the bowl. I'm so sorry if my ingredient doesn't have exactly measurement, because I normally cook and taste the taste that I like, because I'm not good at cooking, but I need to cook every day because I eat. Okay, thank you.